Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included. So either ways, on the monthly, I still think this is the end of a wave 3, and I still think this is very likely a wave 4, and I still think this is going to go up for a wave 5 at some point. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the A. I think we're already in the wave B, and I think at some point it is going to go down and make a wave C, and this is going to be an ABC of 4. I think the 50% fib is the likely area for this to end a wave 4 and continue back up for the wave 5. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where I'm saying the wave A is over, this spike right here. I think this is very clearly A, an expanding flat wave B, and most likely we are in the wave C already. So we are at a Fibonacci level where it could end up turning. So if it does end up breaking structure to the downside, I would probably start looking for sorts. Probably tells us that the wave B really is complete. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, looking at other yen pairs, most of the other yen pairs really don't look like they're over yet. And to me, a lot of the yen pairs look like they made impulsive down wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up wave B, and now we're in a wave C. So if it does go down and break structure, but then it rejects structure, goes up and makes an engulfing move up, I would definitely take it as a long. The trend is up until we break and hold below this structure. And if it just goes down, breaks structure, and rejects it, then I would take it as another long opportunity. So either way, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, to me, it really looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. It looks like a crescent down. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So it really does look like a possible A, a possible B, and now we're possibly going down for a wave C, which is why I say if it does break structure but then reject structure, make an engulfing move to the upside, I would continue to look for longs. I mean, I don't really see the problem with looking for shorts if you are trading the short time frames, which I do not. But once you see a break of structure, pay attention to see if it rejects structure like this or whether it breaks and holds below structure. There's a big difference between a break of structure and a rejection of structure. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.